Like we always do about this time.
Now, my second four is where we can get a little formulaic, where I can do more A's. So you'll see, I'll have more repeating lines in this one. So, let's see. Over. Let's see. How could something so good be wasted? I've been smoking these woods. I'm wasted. See my cup half full. Now it's wasted. I'm guessing it's over. It's over. Okay, so I'm adding the hook in it. You know what I'm saying? So my hook is over, it's over, because that's how I ended this one. You know, I tied them in. You know, it's all up to your creativity. It's all up to what you want to do. There really are no rules. So let's finish it out. You'll see how this second part is more like a hook. How is it more like a hook? Well, because I'm ending every line with wasted, and because they're all structured melodically the same, the first three bars, but the fourth one is different. So the structure is A, B, but my B is the C from the other one. It ties it up. It makes it more catchy. You hear the oh na 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 na. So let me play it. Let me let you guys hear it. I gotta find the beat. Okay. Let's get it drop. Yeah. Missing my calls, now you crying your eyes out. Never really ever get the chance to cope. And I'm living like Kardashian, I got a better lifestyle. And you know that it's over, it's over. How could something so good be wasted? I've been smoking these woods, I'm wasted. See my cup half full, now it's wasted. Guessing it's over, it's over. I've been smoking these woods, I'm wasted. See my cup half full, now it's wasted. Now I'm guessing it's over, it's over. And that's pretty much it, man. You can, the thing is when you get this, when you get here, this is where you want to be catchy. This is where you want to be memorable. When you get here, when you transition from this section to this section, a drastic beat change is going to happen. So when you go from this first four bars to the second four bars in the chorus section, a beat change is going to happen. That's going to add to the effect of you changing the flow right here. Depending on how good you can hit it, depending on how good you can turn this, will be how good the impact is. This is why people are so excited to hear great choruses, because they're waiting to hear the sweet spot. They're waiting to hear when everything comes together, all the momentum in the verses, even in the pre-chorus right here, is all building up to this right here. So it's all about the setup and the payoff. I'll holler at you guys later. Peace.